a way to resist. The songs became anthems, giving voice to the hopes of the Kabyle people and their fight to be recognized. The music brought communities together and gave them comfort and strength during hard times. Today, Kabylian music is still going strong. Modern artists like Aida, Lunez Matoub and Takfrinas are famous all over the world. They've shared Kabylian music with new people everywhere. These artists mix traditional sounds with modern ones, creating a vibrant and always changing musical style. You can hear Kabylian music's influence in lots of different types of music, like world music, folk and even rock. Its rhythms and melodies have inspired musicians from different times and different continents. Kabylian music has a bright future. It keeps changing and growing while staying true to where it came from. It shows how powerful music is, how it can connect different generations and cross borders.